Samson, is that your little thing? Is this yours? This is your little thing. Here, look at that. That's your shoelace. Look at you. Oh, I got you. Oh, I got you. Look at that shoelace. Look at that shoelace. Is that yours? This is Samson and his brother Anderson. Anderson's always more skittish than Samson when he comes in. Anderson! You looking at what's going on out there? Anderson! Come down here! Come down here, my love! What's that? Oh, look at you. Look at you. So these two have stayed here many times before. They're housemates. And they do very well while they're here. Anderson takes a day or two longer to get acclimated usually than Samson. But they're doing well. Don't worry about them. Hey, baby. Look at you. You want to play, Anderson? Come on.